Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PML N, has agreed to appoint Finance Minister Senator Ishaq Dar as the caretaker Prime Minister, sources told Geo News on Sunday. Sources told Geo News that the government committee formed on the matter is taking all other political parties in confidence on Dar's appointment as caretaker. PM Kundi says PPP leadership to decide on interim setup. On the other hand, Central PPP Secretary Information Faisal Karim Kundi clarified that his party has not received Dar's name for the interim PM slot. If Ishaq Dar's name comes in the future, then there can be consultations, Kundi told Geo News. He added that the PPP leadership will decide on the interim setup. Like PML and other parties have to also hold consultations on interim setup. There is consultation going on within the party on interim PM, but no name has been finalized, said the PPP leader, who is also an special assistant to Prime Minister. He added that they will make an announcement as soon as a name is finalized. Meanwhile, Federal Minister for Planning and Development Ehsan Iqbal stated during Geo News show Naya Pakistan that if there is agreement on Dar's name across the board, then he would be appointed the caretaker PM. However, he had said that no decision has been taken yet in front of him on the appointment of an interim PM. Whatever decision is taken, the cabinet will be taken into confidence, said Iqbal. However, he assured that there will be an agreement on a caretaker prime minister's appointment in the last week of the government's tenure, as the standby agreement with the International Monetary Fund (IMF) needs to be implemented. As per the planning minister, a 3-year program will have to be made with the IMF in the future, and there is a need for a stable government that has a 5-year mandate. My personal opinion is that we should go through the elections as soon as possible so that a stable government comes and takes the country out of the economic difficulties, said Iqbal. Earlier this week, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif had constituted a 5-member committee of the PML N to hold consultations on the selection of a caretaker premier and dissolution of the National Assembly, the news reported. Though the provincial assemblies of Sindh and Balochistan will also be dissolved along with the National Assembly next month, the panel has no members from outside Punjab. The committee, comprising federal ministers Ishaq Dar, Ehsan Iqbal, Khwaja Saad Rafiq, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq and Khwaja Muhammad Asif, has been tasked to undertake consultations with the political parties and groups which constitute the incumbent government. With the formation of the committee, the consultation process has gained full swing for the immediate future setup of administration in the country.